friends, welcome to week 3 of Cozy Gatherings. This is Gratitude Collab. I hope you've been following along, and I really hope that you've been participating and getting in on the fun. I wanted to mention today's prompt first before we get into anything else. Today's prompt is, what sound from nature soothes you? So get into that. Share with us what that means to you and why you're grateful for it. I wanted to mention that Cindy and I both have printable kits. Mine is in my Etsy shop, and of course I will link both of our kits in our description box. I also want to mention that we both have freebies, and I will link those in the description box as well. Mine are through my Facebook group, so you'd need to join the group if you haven't already, and then you can have access to the freebies. I also wanted to mention that all month long, Cindy and I will be doing a variety of videos, all centered around gratitude. But I wanted to keep some of this simple for you so that if you only had time to do it once a week, that's perfectly fine. We have a prompt for each week. My videos will be going out on Wednesdays. If you want to dig deeper, Cindy's got a booklet with 50 prompts in it. This month, we're also going to have the journal building videos. So you can come along with us and start on day 1 and start building your journal and tags and pockets and all of that good stuff. Well, let's get started with today's prompt. Today's prompt is, what sound from nature soothes you? Well, I have 2 favorites. Birds singing make me really, really happy. But as far as soothing goes, I would say the wind and the waves. Hearing the wind is so relaxing to me and always gives me a sense of freedom. What is more free than the wind? I like how it sounds and how it feels. Waves, the ocean, my favorite place. The sound of the waves is nourishing to my soul, always healing and rejuvenating. When I was a child, I was always more comfortable outside. I am grateful that I had a safe place outside, away from chaos, that I could be with nature. The beach is just such a special place, and it has both the wind and the waves. And maybe that's why both of those are so comforting to me. When I was a kid, I would run across the street. This is a time when we lived in Myrtle Beach. And I would run across the street, and there was this big hotel there. And the beach was there. And I would just go and sit in the sand, and I loved it. And sometimes I'd go up to a little tiki bar, and they would, of course, think that my parents had a room there, which they didn't. But they would give me Shirley Temples and, sodas and things like that. So I had my own little, private life going on. But it was safe, and it was comfortable, and I was really, really happy. And I think that is where my love for the wind and the waves came from. I'm grateful for that experience. I'm grateful that I had a place that I could go where I did feel safe, and that would calm me and bring me joy. And so I express my gratitude for that. Friends, I want to express my gratitude to you as well for being here, taking some time to see what I had to say today. Thanks for watching. See you soon.